Okay guys, I don't know if it's the next day or a few days later. I can't keep track, you know me and the vlogging, trying to get it together. But anyway, I wanted to get on because I wanted to share something with you guys. So lately I have been getting people who watch my channel. Some are subscribers, some probably are not, but they watch my channel, and they've been sending me items from their businesses and things of that sort. So, and then sometimes just as gifts. So I wanted to start a series where I showcase those items or those businesses. So I need help coming up with a name. I was thinking of Shine On, you know, since my since my channel, the people who watch my channel, I call them the sun rays. You guys helped me come up with that name, call them the sun rays. And sun rays shine, or the sun shines. I was thinking of calling it the Shine On series or something like that, where I am highlighting these companies or these products. So, and telling the people basically to keep shining, shine on, keep doing your thing basically. You understand where I'm going with it? I don't know. Anyway, so that is what I'm thinking about. But I want a really good name because I want to encourage those people who are sending me things. So guys, if you're looking and you have a business, a small business, or whatever, and you want me to feature, you know, your products on my channel, I don't mind doing that. You guys are following me, you guys are supporting me, so I want to support you as well. So if that is the case, I do have a PO box in my description box. Feel free to send me something to showcase on my channel, or just a gift or whatever, you know, it's there. Use it if you want to. So I want to come up with just a video or a series where I show these things at one time. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like right now I'm throwing them in vlogs, or I might end up doing a, you know, unboxing and I'm showing them, but they get kind of mixed in with the other things that I'm doing, which is fine. I'm still showcasing them, but I kind of want to just have a series where I am just showing new products coming in from my subscribers, from my viewers, and that's all that video is going to be about. You see what I'm saying? So I want it to kind of be honed in, so when I get stuff I can kind of hold it until I get some other things. Now if I get one thing and I don't get something else for months, then I'll go ahead and put that one thing in a vlog or something like that. But for the most part, I want to maybe show them all collectively back to back at one time, and just, you know, telling these people shine on, and then you guys can go, I can link them all in the description box. If there's something that catches your eye, you guys can go click on that link and support that person or that company or whatever. So guys, help me out. Drop in the description box below what a good name will be that I would be able to use, that really is unique and sounds good and kind of gives an idea of what the video is going to be about. But anyway, to start it off, I want to go ahead and share something that I got in from one of my subscribers. Her name is Sheila, and she was so nice to reach out to me and basically just told me that she has a business on Etsy. She has a business on Etsy where she makes you know, handmade jewelry and things of that sort. So her business is actually called Tortolano Designs, and she said that I inspired her, so she sent me a gift, and then this is what it looks like. So it's packaged really nice and cute. I mean, it did come in a, you know, regular shipping bag. She did put a card in here, thank you note in here for me, and then this is what it looks like. So it's called Tortolano Designs. It's tribal inspired designs, bohemian lifestyle. So if any of you are like the bohemian look, the things of that sort, you probably will like a lot of her stuff. It's beautiful handmade jewelry, bags, and accessories. So she doesn't just have jewelry, she has bags and accessories as well. And is under TortolanoDesigns.etsy.com. So I will, so I'll put it in my description box as well, but let me put it up here so you guys can see it. Go ahead and take a snapshot of that if you want to. So you have her information, but I'm definitely gonna link it in my description box. So I took that off, and then I'm gonna, well, I guess I didn't have to take this off because it opens here. So let's see, excited. I get so excited when people send me stuff, you know. So anyway, she has it wrapped again, nice and neat, using twine and tissue paper, but that is really cute, and another business card on it. So let me see what it is. Oh, she gave me a couple business cards so I can pass those out. So Sheila, I hope you're watching. So she wanted to send me a gift just because she said I inspired her to make this. So I can't wait to see what it is. Oh, she has it in bubble wrap as well. So she's packaging this gift really nicely and really securely. So that is good. Oh, okay. Almost dropped it. Oh, okay. Oh, I got it upside down. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is a earring and necklace set. So this is what it looks like. It's the earring and necklace set in silver, and it has some nice little beading on it. This is really pretty. Really pretty. Really simple as far as the necklace is concerned. And I think I can wear this as a bracelet too. If I remember correctly, I believe she said that I could wear this as wrapped a couple times around my wrist as a bracelet, which would be really cute, as well as wearing it as a necklace. And I like these earrings. I'm gonna try them on and see how they look with my, with my outfit. So they have a stopper on the back. Let's see. Take off the gold. Oh, those are cute. I like them. Thank you, Sheila. I like them. And this outfit I have on, it can go with silver or gold jewelry. So I might just go ahead and leave on this jewelry today because I think it goes good with it. This print is kind of a tribal print. And so these earrings are kind of a tribal type earring as well. So I think they go well together. And then let me see about this necklace. Okay, so it's like a choker. So I could wear it like this, or I could wear this as a bracelet. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is the gift she sent me. And I love them. So again, it's called Tortolano Designs. She is on Etsy. I will leave her information in my description box. It's called TortolanoDesigns.etsy.com. I'll let you take another snapshot. And guys, please go over to Etsy, look her up, and support her site. There you go. I like it. So yeah, I will go over and see what else she has, because her things can make some really nice gifts. You know, Christmas is coming up, and if you are wanting to get someone something that is unique, that you're not going to see a lot of people wearing, you're not going to see all over the place, Etsy is a place to go. So looking at her earrings that she's made that are handmade, it's something that's going to be unique. It's going to be a unique gift that you can give to somebody. And not only does she have jewelry, but she also has bags and accessories as well. So again, please go over and support her if you can. And let me know what you think of these earrings and necklace in my comment section, guys. And again, don't forget to let me know a good name that I can call this series, where I'm showcasing different gifts, different businesses, small owned businesses, black owned businesses, whatever that I can showcase on my channel. Let me know what I can call that series, and I will try to do that. It's not going to be something that I'll probably do every week, but I definitely will try to do it probably once a month or something like that. So yeah, guys, and again, if you guys have a small company, small owned business that you would like for me to feature on my channel, feel free to send me something at that P.O. box in my description box, and I will be happy to share it on my channel. Tell me a little bit about your business that you would want me to highlight. Don't, you know, don't feel bad about, you know, including something like that in the package as well. And then if you just want to send me something for me as a gift, don't necessarily, you know, want me to show it on my channel, you can say that as well. You know, I'm okay with that as well. So yeah, guys, that's it. So anyway, it is late in the day. I need to start making some dinner, but I just wanted to come on and show you guys this. If you're wondering about this hair is a wash and go that I did using Fruit of the Earth aloe vera gel, believe it or not, and I actually like it. So tell me what you think about it, and if you used aloe vera gel on your hair before. It's actually this bottle here I used on my hair. I used to use this all the time in my TWA stages, or shorter, I should say, and just hadn't used it for a while, and it was in my to be used up, and you know, I'm trying to use up that stash, so I pulled it out, and I am pleasantly surprised with my hair. So I'm gonna try to quit touching it because I'm making it frizzy because I keep touching it. But yeah, I'm gonna go down and start preparing dinner, and I will get you guys a little bit later.
Creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of
also need pinto beans, 1 can of pinto beans, 1 can of kidney beans, and my son has gone to the store to get those. And yeah, it.
Whenever you need, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days. 'Cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. November gets cold. December gets darker. Let me know when you're home. 'Cause
Up to here, got eaten down to there.
it's pretty lonely.